Elon Musk, a risk-taker's odyssey. The flickering candlelight cast long shadows across the South African landscape, illuminating a young Elon Musk hunched over a Commodore VIC-20. This wasn't just playtime, this was the crucible where his entrepreneurial spirit was forged. Selling his first video game, Blaster, at 12 years old wasn't just a clever feat, it was a nascent demonstration of his audacious vision and relentless drive. This wasn't a boy playing games, this was a future disruptor learning the language of code, the language of innovation. His escape to Canada, fueled by a desire to transcend the limitations of his birthplace, wasn't a retreat, it was a strategic repositioning. His academic pursuits, physics and economics, weren't disparate disciplines. They were the dual lenses through which he would perceive the world's problems and devise audacious solutions. Zip2, X.com, later PayPal, weren't merely financial successes, they were stepping stones, proving grounds for his ambitious trajectory. The acquisition of PayPal wasn't the culmination of his ambitions, it was the financial springboard for his true odyssey. SpaceX, a seemingly quixotic venture to colonize Mars, wasn't mere science fiction. It was a tangible manifestation of his audacious belief in humanity's potential to transcend terrestrial limitations. The relentless pursuit of reusable rockets, a technological feat previously deemed impossible, wasn't just engineering, it was a testament to his unwavering perseverance and visionary leadership. Tesla, similarly, wasn't just another electric car company, it was a revolutionary force challenging the entrenched automotive paradigm. The relentless pursuit of sustainable energy, the audacious goal of accelerating the world's transition to electric vehicles, wasn't just environmentalism, it was a reflection of his commitment to a technologically advanced, environmentally conscious future. Elon Musk's journey isn't a linear progression, it's a constellation of calculated risks, bold innovations, and unwavering determination. He's a figure both revered and reviled, a testament to the complexities of ambition and innovation. His story isn't just about technological advancement, it's a compelling narrative of human potential, a testament to the power of relentless pursuit in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. It's a story that continues to unfold, a story that inspires, challenges, and ultimately, compels us to question our own limitations.